Hi to my most wonderful math students in all of Allapattah. You are going to be learning today through this video, and we are going to be continuing our lesson from Wednesday, which was looking at polygons, and this is benchmark G2.2. The date is September 26, 2013. So let's get started. I'm assuming that you have already read your letter. If you have not read it all the way through, please pause the video and do so now. Ready, pause. Now that you have read your letter, you can see that step E is incorrect because Mr. Gell forgot that this is a half day. So please try and stop 10 minutes before the end of class to take your survey. If you do not get to it, that is okay. Alright, so now we are on step D on your letter. Please take out your bell ringer, which has a post-it on it with a number 1. Pause the video, take it out, hit play when you're ready. Ready, pause. Here is your bell ringer. You're going to solve the bell ringer on your own. When you're done, you may hit play and we'll go over the answers. So pause the video, do the bell ringer, and hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. Alright, so here are 2 examples of what you might have drawn on your bell ringer sheet. I drew a regular polygon of a pentagon, 5 sides, and I know that it's a regular polygon because all of my sides are the same, which I labeled with my green lines, and all of my angles are the same, which I showed using my red tally lines. For my irregular polygon, we know that the angles and sides are not the same, and you can see that in my shape because I only marked that 2 of my sides were congruent with my green tally marks and 2 angles were congruent with my red tally marks. And this angle right here is definitely much smaller than those other ones, and this line right here is definitely much longer than some of my other lines. Please, if you did your bell ringer incorrectly, fix it now, and when you're ready, move on. So now that you've done your bell ringer, our second step is to complete the worksheet. Please pause the video, put your bell ringer away, and take out your worksheet. The worksheet has a post-it with a number 2 on it. Ready, pause. Okay, so let's look at problem number 1. What is the measure of each interior angle of a regular hexagon? Well, we know that the formula for to find the interior angle of a regular polygon is 180 n minus 2 divided by n, where n is equal to the number of sides. Then you know that hexagon is a shape with 6 sides. So you're going to plug in 6 for n in the equation above to get your answer. Pause the video, finish this problem, hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. Alright, so here is your answer, 120 degrees. If you did not get this answer or are confused, pause the video, look at my steps, and hit play when you're ready to move on. Ready, pause. Alright, I'm going to have you do problem number 2 on your own. Pause the video, solve number 2, and hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. Here is the answer to problem number 2, and because I showed my work, I just proved it. Pause the video, correct your answer if you got it wrong, and hit play when you're ready to move on. Ready, pause. Alright, let's solve problem 3 together. It says a regular hexagon, which is a 6-sided shape, and a regular heptagon, which is a 7-sided shape, share one side as shown in the diagram below. Which of the following is closest to the measure of x, the angle formed by one side of the hexagon and one side of the heptagon? Well, we know that angle X plus this red angle right here plus this green angle right here is equal to 360 degrees. And we know this because they form a circle, and a circle has 360 degrees. So let's figure out what these angles are. The green angle, for the hexagon, we use the formula and solve to get 120 degrees. For the red angle, we use the same formula to get approximately 128 and 57/100 degrees. So then we just plug in, use algebra to solve for x. And we get that x is equal to 111 and 43/100 degrees. We know that the closest measure of x is b. Pause the video, make sure you have all this written down on your page, and hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. Problem number 4 I'd like you to do on your own. You know that a quadrilateral, a four-sided shape, has a total of 360 degrees. So angles A, B, C, and D must equal 360 degrees. Pause the video, solve problem 4, hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. Problem number 5 I'd also like you to try on your own. So pause the video, try number 5, and hit play if you get stuck. Ready, pause. Here is your hint. In an isosceles triangle, you have, in an isosceles right triangle, one angle is 90 degrees, one angle is 45, and the other angle is 45. So now you can use a theorem that we learned using a favorite word, favorite number that I wrote in the bottom corner to figure out the answer. Pause the video, finish solving, hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. Problems 6 and 7 I'd also like you to do on your own. Pause the video, solve them both, hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. All right, here are the answers for problems 6 and 7. Please correct your work with the work I have on the screen. I'd like to bring your attention to problem 7, where this fact right here tells you that this angle is the same as this angle. So then I followed step 1 to get my answer, and that brought me to step 2 in order to solve. And I forgot my degree. Pause the video, correct your work, hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. All right, 8 and 9 you're also going to do on your own. I have full confidence you're going to do it. 9 is your bonus question. Pause the video, fill these out, hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. Okay, now that you're done with the worksheet, we are going to do your exit ticket. I'd like you to pause the video, solve your exit ticket, and hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. And now for the bonus. If you have extra time after your exit ticket, please take the following notes in your notebook. So pause the video, put your worksheet and exit tickets away, and take out your composition book. Ready, pause. All right, I'm going to have you wear the sticky note that says number 4. Please write a line down your paper. Write the polygon sum formula and the measure of an interior angle of a regular polygon formula. Pause the video, take these notes, hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. Congratulations, you are now officially done with this video. Please go back onto your Edmodo homepage and take the class survey. If you still have extra time, you may draw a picture. Before you leave, make sure you say thank you to Ms. Jobson and Mr. DeViglis for letting you use their computers and space in iPrep. I will hopefully see you on Monday Otherwise, you will have a similar kind of video for class. Again, great job.